Hey everyone, let's see this question. In it we have given two tables named Raider and Team. So here's our Raider table and here's our Team table. Okay. And now the attribute ID in table Team. So here is this ID attribute. Reference the primary key of the Raider table. So here ID is the primary key in this Raider table and it references this ID attribute in Team table. Now we have given a SQL query that says select star from Raider, team, where Raider.id is equal to team.id and city is equal to Jaipur and rate point are more than 200. Okay, so let's do it. So we have to select star means all of the attributes from Raider, team. So when we are saying Raider, team, so Raider, team means it is a cross product. So we'll get all of these attributes: ID, name, rates, rate points, city, ID again for the second team, and then bid points. So something like this, and each row will cross with all of the rows. So Arjun 200, 250, Arjun here, 200 here, 250 here, will be attached with or merged with all of the Jaipur, Patna, Hyderabad, so on. So this is what cross product is. So in this from Raider, team, this will give us cross product. But in the next line here given two conditions. First is where Raider.id is equal to team.id. Means now, which I was saying that every row will attach with every other row in the team. So every row in Raider will merge with every row in the team. That will not happen. Only where this ID of Raider will be equal to ID of team, only those rows will be shown. Fine. So first condition is this. Second condition is city is equal to Jaipur. So we can start eliminating from here. So Jaipur city here is here in teams table here and here. So we need this, that city should be Jaipur only. So it will come 3 times. Okay. And then second thing is Raider.id is equal to team.id. That should be there. So we see that here ID2 is with Ankush. So let's say Ankush here and ID2. Then Jaipur here ID is 1, that is with Arjun. So 1 Arjun. And third one is with 6, that is Gopal. So 6 and Gopal. Now again the rate point should be greater than 200. So let's see. Here comes rate points. So Arjun has 250 rate points. So this will come under this criteria. Then again Ankush has 219 rate points. So again this will come under this criteria. And Gopal has 215 rate points. So again it will be shown. So these 3 rows will be returned by this query. Okay. And question is the number of rows returned by this query. So number of rows will be 1, 2 and 3. So answer will be 3. Thank you.